Hi everyone. Today we're talking about how nonprofit hospitals figure out what health issues people in their communities need help with. This process is called a Community Health Needs Assessment, or CHNA for short. I'll explain how they do it, what information they use, and what could make it even better. Let's jump in. Hospitals collect all kinds of information to learn about their communities. They look at things like what health problems people have, what resources are already there, and what's missing. But here's the problem. They often focus only on medical stuff and forget about other things like housing, jobs, or even pollution. These things also affect health, so skipping them means they miss the bigger picture. Hospitals use two main kinds of data. First, there's primary data, which is stuff they gather themselves, like surveys or interviews with people in the community. Then there's secondary data, which is info that's already out there, like public health records or government stats. But the study I read says some hospitals don't dig deep enough or work with local health departments, which means their data isn't as good as it could be. I think hospitals should add more creative sources. For example, they could look at environmental reports to see if pollution is making people sick, or check housing stats to find out if bad living conditions are causing health problems. Even talking to schools or local charities could give them a better idea of what's really happening. Hospitals use tools like charts and graphs to figure out what's more important, but the study found that they don't always go far enough. For example, they might list problems like diabetes or asthma, but not explain why those problems are happening. Like maybe people don't have access to fresh food or safe places to exercise. Hospitals use some basic research methods, but they often miss out on the good stuff, like mixing numbers with personal stories. Hearing directly from people in the community could help them understand problems better. Right now, it feels like they're only scratching the surface. They should definitely talk to more people. Focus groups or community meetings are great for getting real opinions. They could also use cool tech like maps to see which neighborhoods have the most health problems. And instead of doing just 1-minute studies, they should check back over time to see if their solutions are working. Here's the key. Hospitals can't do this alone. They need to work with community leaders, schools, and local organizations to find out what people actually need. They should host open forums or send out updates to show people what they're doing. The more involved everyone is, the better the results will be. In closing, so why does all of this matter? Because health isn't just about doctors and hospitals. It's about making sure everyone has what they need to live healthy lives. If hospitals do a better job at understanding their communities, they can make a huge difference. Thanks for listening to my podcast. Let's keep working together to make our neighborhoods healthier for everyone.